and welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing the first of 4 projects for the Autumn Halloween Collaboration 2025 hosted by Lisa Crafting Diva, and the hashtag for this is AutumnFest 2025. I'm actually late because I thought this was supposed to go up on Saturday, but as I've gone to upload I realised it's actually today, the 5th, which is Friday. So yeah, I'm recording it at like 10 to 10 at night, so yeah, it's going to be very late because I thought it was due on the Saturday. Anyway, what I've done is I have made an altered envelope ready for my October daily, which I've been wanting to do for ages and just never got round to. I've used various bits and pieces from my stash, including offcuts from card kits. I think these were probably hunky-dory. I've used die cuts from Studio Light. This was a piece of scrap ribbon that I had in my stash. The paper I've actually printed off. These die cuts I have done myself. This is from another Studio Light pad, as are these bits, and again some offcuts. Yep, so I'm really sorry to all the people taking part that I am late. Obviously all the people taking part are in my description box below, and yes, next time I'll try to be on time. But thank you for watching. Please leave me a thumbs up and comment because I love to read them, and until next time, cheerio.